how to add or remove phone numbers to the fixed dialing number list on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, in here, tap on the More button. Then from the pop-up menu, choose Settings. Next, in Call Settings, we then scroll down and then tap on Supplementary Services. After that, we go down and tap on Fixed Dialing Numbers. In here, tap on FDN List. From here, you can tap on the More button, then tap on Add. Here, add in a name. So I can say David IT Jungles. And number, so put in the phone number 123456789 and enter in the pin. So put in the pin. So the pin is 40 and then tap on saved. And then tap on saved. Okay, so we have added a new phone number to the FDN list. So any numbers in here will allow you to make calls to. If those numbers are not in here, you will be blocked from dialing. To delete a number from the FDN list, you can touch and hold or you can open it. So here, so I'll cancel that. So in here, when I tap on the add button, it's on the more buttons, it only allows me to add. So if I touch and hold, nothing happens. But when I go in here and if I tap on the more button at the top, you can choose delete contact. And then we need to enter in the pin, then tap on OK. Now the other options are, if you go into the number, you can also choose import from contacts. So in here we can select a phone number from a contact. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.